Okay, so here we have my TARDIS sound and light controller here. Here you've got the light bulb, got a speaker here, and you've got lots of electronic gubbins here as well. If I turn this up, you can hear. You can hear you've got the TARDIS background noise. Now I'll just go through a couple of things here. Now this is actually the transformer from the mains. So that's stepping this down to 12 volts. Now the battery, you do actually need just to stop the surge from this light bulb here, because when it powers on, it's actually a considerable amount of juice that it uses. This is a 7 amp hour battery. Really, most lead acid batteries should work okay with this. It's just really, like I say, it's just more really to stop the surge. It's more acting as a capacitor than anything else. This is the main board that does all the controlling, and of course this is the amplifier as well. So let's see it in action. So if I press this button over here, let's turn the light off as well. I'll wake the kids up. There we go. That will just continue on for a bit. And that should go back to the background sound. There we are, back to the background sound again. So there you go, that's it really.